night hi-fi cranked, vinyl turning, crackles, emotions burning. My youth is galloping past, and it's going really fast at what now feels like land record speeds, sliding in on tears. Something possible is within my reach. In life there are so many, so many, all within our reach. 'Cause it's possible, of course it always is. It's never over till you no longer sing while breath is left. You have possibilities. The thought crystallizes, glimmers with excitement, as hope stands before me, bare, naked and raw. In that very moment, I am dazzled by possibility. It's never over till you no longer sing while breath is left. You have guitar gently weeps, and through the mind thoughts and memories sweep. You are transported, lost completely away, tossed into a deep sea of the possibility. The possibility, with a high probability, it's a possibility. And inspiration flashes up, going through the past to get you to the present. It can be emotionally tough, leaving your feelings raw, frayed and rough. Let the music and a sad guitar carry you from where you are to where you need to go. Lay back, listen to the flow, and just be you by the hand as thoughts echo throughout the brain. It's never over till we can no longer sing on late night vinyl, as a guitar gently weeps, and through one's mind memories sweep. I am transported, lost, and the loss is complete, completely away, tossed into the deep.